Action.
Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and review the Walmart bike, the Kent29 Flexor. Now this, I bought this bike because it has the dual shocks, red and black. It looks nice. It looks nice. This is the taller bike. So this bike is for people that are 5'9" to 6'3" because it's a taller bike, bigger wheels. Right off the bat with this bike, the seat started to come off on its own. I could probably fix that easily, but I haven't gotten to it. Seat's a little uncomfortable, but that's normal for when you first get a bike. I need to upgrade it. The brakes on it right away went out. So right now I do not have back brakes. I do have front brakes though, so I have to take it to the shop to get this fixed. I don't know how to do it myself. I might have to look around YouTube to see how to do that. Save some money. Other than that, it's been good. The gears, however, are not aligned, which is what I noticed with Walmart bikes. Got to take it in so they can fine-tune the gears. The shocks work really good. I love the shocks, man. When I'm out there riding it, it's pretty good. With the shocks, you can feel it. It's a pretty comfortable ride. Again, just like the other bike we reviewed, we rigged these LED lights so we can ride it at night. Which we bought these at Walmart too. We were there, might as well, right? Cheap little headlights, got some zip ties and zip tied them on, and boom, there we go. Really cool. Let's go ahead and test it out. We have it in first gear right now. All I got is front brakes. Front brakes work good. Like I said, the back brakes don't work. It rides pretty good. For a Walmart bike, it's not bad. I forgot to mention I purchased it for around $130, I think, which is not bad for an entry-level bike. Eventually we will upgrade. But for now, we have a lot of fun. We ride through the Rio Grande Bosque. We do post a lot of videos of us running through the Rio Grande Bosque, so check those out, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you soon in one of my other videos.